What's up, YouTube? I am making a tool video. That's right. Finally, making a tool video. That's right. And what are we doing with this tool video? Not a whole lot. Just showing off the top drawer and bitching a little bit about Dan the Bagel Man. He hasn't been making any bagel content or any content for that sake, so I'm calling him out. You need to make some fucking content, Dan. We need you around, buddy. Alright? And this is a shout out to the maintenance man. He hooked these up not too long ago, sent them my way. I super appreciate it, buddy. I don't remember if I gave you a proper shout out or not, but here's every damn thing, I believe. But these fucking screwdrivers, these are fucking badass, super long precision screwdrivers. They have been coming in handy, especially with the carburetor. So yeah, I got my first Starrett tool, and I got my first Work Pro tool. Hell yeah. So, and I got, these are badass. Freaking, who's got a pair of pliers that are named after them? Huh? You don't. That's what I thought. Thanks for subscribing, though. Not trying to sound too much like a dick, but who has a pair of pliers named after them? Or even a tool company. Huh? Who? But anywho, this is calling out Dan the Bagel Man. Deuces.